and formed man in his own likeness, when century upon century had passed, since the Almighty set his bow in the clouds after the great flood, as a sign of covenant and peace. In the 21st century, since Abraham, our father in faith, came out of the Ur of the Chaldees. In the 13th century, since the people of Israel were led by Moses in the Exodus from Egypt, around the 1000th year since David was anointed king. In the 65th week of the prophecy of Daniel, in the 194th Olympiad, in the year 762, since the foundation of the city of Rome, in the 42nd year of the reign of Caesar Octavian Augustus,